walking you through how to install this script called Modesy Marketplace and classify ad script. The script has a lot of features, it's nice and it's very affordable. With this script, you'll be able to get a website that looks like something I'll be showing you soon. So it's a marketplace for used products, classified ads, digital products, everything. It has a very cool website, a very cool landing page, and also an admin panel. You can see all the things you can do here as a feature. That's a marketplace, classified ad bidding system, physical product sale, digital product selling, SEO friendly, totally secure system, advanced and vendor dashboard. It also has multi-vendor features. It has membership features. It has advanced shipping system. It has chat system. It's fully feature rich. You can see it has everything that you need to run a complete system that is bug free, unique. It also has lots of payment gateways: PayPal, Stripe, Flutterwave, PayTabs, Mitrans, cash on delivery, bank transfer. It's cool. It has a super admin. It has a moderator admin panel. It has a vendor admin panel. It has a member admin panel that you can check out. So let's quickly just look at how the end product will look by the time we are done setting up this whole script. The PHP script, PHP Laravel script. So you can see here, this is how the landing page looks. This is the products, everything. Then let's say you want to make a purchase of products. This is how it looks. You can experience it. Then you can switch the colors like that. So it's cool. Then you can sell now. Sell now feature. You can see as a seller. It's unique, it's nice, it's cool. So this is the admin panel. You get to see a lot of stuff in that. You can see the admin panel. You can change themes. You can do a lot of stuff here. It has affiliate program to manage your affiliate program here for referrals. It has everything. It's a robust, completely robust, very cool system that you can use to start your e-commerce business without paying developers a lot of money. So here is the script, and how do you get it? Very simple. Just look the link in my description to get this script. Use the link in my description to get this script. It's an affiliate link. I get a bit of bonus. It also gives you some kind of discount, sort of, but the worst case scenario, you shouldn't buy it more than $69. But the advantage is my affiliate link gives me a benefit that I would really appreciate you guys to use. My affiliate link is in the description. Just go ahead, use it, and make the purchase of this particular script. Then you can come back and continue the video. So let's go ahead and install the script after you purchased it and downloaded the script file. To install the script, the first thing you need to do is buy your hosting and domain. So for you to buy your hosting and domain, you can come here and buy your hosting on Asura Hosting. There's a link in the description, and affiliate link in the description to buy your hosting and domain here. You can buy a domain and hosting panel for as low as $1. And the cool thing about these plans is that it's $1 and then it's unlimited bandwidth, unlimited space, unlimited SSL, unlimited. You can see even the $2.79 per month plan, which I would recommend you to buy, or this unlimited plus is the best and the best plan you should buy for this kind of robust e-commerce system. It has everything unlimited fully. So I would recommend this any day. This unlimited plus, and then you can buy this plan and then you can use it to set up this particular robust system and get started and start earning money from your e-commerce website. So once you buy the hosting and domain, set that up, and you should have access to your cPanel. Please ensure you buy the cPanel plan, not the direct admin plan. cPanel plan. It adds a little bit of money because of the license around cPanel, and then you should be able to get this amount as the monthly fee for each of those cPanel plans. So once you've done the purchase with my affiliate link in the description, then you buy your domain as well. The domain is around $11. You buy your domain similarly here, and then you connect your domain to your hosting, and then if you have access to something like this to log into your cPanel, So this is my own cPanel here. This is my own cPanel, and then in your cPanel you get to have a lot of stuffs, and with your domain connected you should be able to see your domain here. So just go to a file manager, and in your file manager you should be able to upload the product. This is your file manager, and then you can easily upload the file into your system. So now I'm uploading my file, and this is it. It's uploaded, 100% complete, and then can begin my install process. So now it's uploaded, just reload, and then I have that. So the next thing, I extract the file. So once that is extracted, you have the file here, file. Then you go into the file, you have the documentation, then you give the theme file, open the theme file, select all, and move to the root domain, root file, root folder. So you move the file there, and then you have here on your file the whole thing. Now the next thing you want to do is copy this domain, which is your domain name, paste it here, and then slash install. What is wrong with my tea? Oh, something is wrong with my tea. It's not pressing. So let me just try and figure that out a minute. So this is where I stop. The input the slash install, and then you have this install system, and then you input your license code. So I'm going to pause that as well, put my license, and then I will continue. Now I've inputted my license code. Now this is done. Then you move to the next one, and then for that permission, ensure everything is checked. Once it's checked, you move to the next one, and then you input your database details. So I'm going to be inputting my database details now. So I'll go back to my cPanel, search for DB, and then go to manage my database. And then you'll be creating a database, but for me I already have a database I want to use here. So I'm just going to pick up the database details and move into, and then use the database. So here is the username and the password of the database. Control C and go back to the install section, which is here, and here is the database name, the username, then the password, database password here, copy it, and I'm going to paste it here, and next. So once that is done, you do your normal settings, and once your details is inputted, you finish and you should be online. So I want to put details here. I would be pausing a little bit, and then afterwards I'll show you, and then afterwards immediately the website should show. So I think that covers everything when it comes to the install. The rest is just for you to start using the website and log in with the details that they've inputted here. I think that covers everything around the installation of this video. So as usual, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Use the link in the description. And as usual, if you can't do the install of this video, please don't forget to use the link in the description to hire me to help you install the video. I'll be here anytime to help you install the video. I can customize script, I build script, I build mobile apps, I build website, build a lot of products. So you can go ahead and check me out uh, on my website. It's also in the link in the description. You can hire me, you can do everything. So send a DM, I build softwares. I build everything. Just send a DM if you have a project you'd like me to work with you with. My fees are one of the best in the world, most affordable in the world. So send a DM. Thank you.